Jai Shriman Namaste. Welcome to Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam Meditation, Affirmation and Story Track. Let us listen to his names from the 23rd Shlokam. The link to the Wellness Track playlist is provided in the description of this video. Please sit comfortably and relax to feel connected. ॐ गुरुतमाय गुरवे नमः। ॐ धाम्ने नमः। ॐ सत्याय नमः। ॐ सत्यपराक्रमाय नमः। ॐ निमिषाय नमः। ॐ अनिमिषाय नमः। ॐ स्रग्विणे नमः। ॐ वाचस्पतये नमः। ॐ उदारधिये नमः। गुरुर्गुरुतमो धाम सत्यः सत्यपराक्रमः। निमिषो निमिषः स्रग्वि वाचस्पतिरुदारधीः।
Please remain in meditative state as we chant these affirmations. May I pass on the knowledge that I receive. May I know the difference between divine support through human form and human support. May I surrender even when I can still put in effort from my side. May I know what is worth my time and effort. May I not support those who do not care about welfare of humanity. May I support those who do care about welfare of humanity. May I not change that which is part of my identity for a role that I play. May I always refer to authentic scriptures and research articles for my work and give them their due credit. May I have the discernment to identify those who possess true knowledge and wisdom. We will now move on to the Kathabhinaya section. Today's story is about Sriman Narayana's Matsya Avataram. Let us enjoy.
Long ago, there was a king named Satyavrata. He was a kind and wise ruler who took Vanaprastha and became a Raja Rishi. Satyavrata prayed every day to Lord Vishnu. One day, when Satyavrata was performing his Sandhya Vandana in a river, a tiny fish, adorned with a mala, swam into his hands. Satyavrata was surprised when the fish spoke. It said, "Oh Satyavrata, please don't throw me back in the river. I am such a small fish. Please save me from predators and protect me." The king took pity on the tiny fish and gently put it in his kamandalam, which he had to do his anushtanas, and said, "Oh Matsya, be safe in my kamandalam. I will take you to a safe place later." The next morning, to his surprise again, Satyavrata saw that the tiny fish had grown to the size of the kamandalam and was peeking out. Thinking how a tiny fish could grow so big in one day, he transferred the fish to a pot at his home. But the fish kept growing bigger and bigger. He moved it to a bigger pot, then to a pond, and finally to a river. But the fish became huge and filled even the river. Satyavrata understood that this was no ordinary fish. He folded his hands and asked the fish, "Oh Matsya, I can't believe that you were the tiny fish who feared that predators will harm him and asked me to save his life. Now you are so big, even the river water cannot hold you. Pray tell me who you are." To this, the fish replied, "O Satyavrata, I will reveal myself when the time comes. Until then, I request you to follow my behest. There will be Pralaya, the great flood, in a week. Save the 7 sages called as Saptarishis, the Vedas, and the seeds needed to recreate the world again. A boat will come to you, in which you will have to load the Rishis, the Vedas, and the seeds. I myself will appear before you as an even bigger Matsya from the Pralaya flood that would soon cover the whole earth. Tie the boat to my horn, and as you do these tasks, you will know who I am." The fish disappeared. Satyavrata did as told by the Matsya. When the Pralaya flood came and the earth flooded, as said by the fish, a boat came to Satyavrata. He left in the boat with the Rishis, Vedas, and seeds. As he was sailing in the flood, the fish appeared as a Mahamatsya, much bigger and gigantic than he previously saw. The Mahamatsya had a big horn, to which it asked Satyavrata to tie the boat, and Satyavrata did so. Now the Matsya asked, "Oh Satyavrata, now do you know who I am?" To this, Satyavrata replied with folded hands, "I noticed the very first time itself that when you appeared as a tiny fish in my hands, you were wearing a mala. And that mala was there even when you were in the kamandalam, then the pot, then the pond, and in the river, and even now during the flood. I know that it is the Vaijayanti mala which is the identity of Sriman Narayana. So, who else can you be other than Lord Vishnu, who has come as Matsya Murti to save us and the Rishis, the Vedas, and the seeds from the Pralaya flood? Satyavrata bowed down in respect and awe to the Lord. The Mahamatsya Murti guided the boat safely through the stormy waters. When the flood ended, the boat landed on a mountain. Life on earth could begin again. Sriman Narayana adorned beautiful Vaijayantimala Haram during Matsyavataram, signifying his complete Prabhutvam or supremacy even during the most turbulent Pralaya period. Hence, he is called Shragvi. Om Shragvine Namaha. Om Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu.